So welcome back in another video. In this video we will show you a landing page that we created for our client, and this is really a game changer for your product as well. You can see we added those marker here, as well as we changed this header a little bit. We added reviews which will really help for a high converting. There is small text, all the bullet point. Here you can choose the product and you can see the color black, white. You can add the quantity. Here is a save option, and the most important for a high converting landing page should have this. And here is shipping policy and refund policy. Those things every customer should need to know. Very easy way. Okay, if I like to buy this product, how will be the shipping policy? Yeah, and we created all the images for our client, and here is a review. So it's very normal that once the customer scroll those things, they should see a review, how actually the people are uh, getting experienced with by using this product. Here is some other comparison. Here is the video, and which is very important, you should have at least one video in your landing page so they can know. And here is some benefits. So I saw many people they use benefits, but you should use the benefit with the icon, so it really easier and it get more connected with the customer. Yeah, and when you click it will go up. So this is our uh, product landing page, and if you want this template, just click from the description link, then you can download it. You can use it as all types of product. You can just install PageFly, upload this template, and you are good to go. So it's very easy. And one thing you have to make sure for your every store, that you have really good image that really talks about your product. Okay, and this is fully mobile responsive. Let me show you. And it's totally and fully mobile responsive template. You can use it for your store, so it's look like this in your mobile, which is very good, which is very neat and clean, not too much uh, bad image. All the images are very good. We have button in the middle of every section. We have pre-shipping offer, easy return. We have FAQ, which is very important, and the review is most important. So complete one product store. You can test your every product with this, even it will be a high converting product as well. So thank you so much, and thank you for watching this video. If you need more template like this, just let me know. I will start making more videos, and see you. Bye bye.